this video, I will show you how to update your Skyworth Smart TV system software to latest version. Over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV. But following the same steps, you should be able to update your Skyworth Android TV to latest version as well. Now to do this, first things first, you want to make sure that your Skyworth Smart TV is actually connected to the internet, and then you just want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV. Over here, go ahead and click on this settings icon, and from here you just want to scroll down until you get to the system settings. If you're using the Skyworth Android TV, go ahead and click on device preferences. You're going to see the about option or the system settings just like this one. Go ahead and click on it. And over here you can literally see the system update settings. Go ahead and click on it, and automatically your Skyworth Smart TV will start checking if there is actually any update that is available for it to download on the TV. If there is actually an update, it will automatically download the update and install it into the TV, making it to restart and come with the latest update that has been done to the Skyworth Smart TV. But if there is currently no update, you're going to see this message over here showing you that your system is up to date and you do not have to update to latest version anymore. You can as well come over to these settings from time to time just to check if there is any update on your Skyworth Smart TV. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.